In this video, I'm going to show you a very quick and easy way to unprotect your Excel worksheets if you forgot the password for it. This method should work on vast majority of cases, not on every case though. So first of all, let's create a very quick example here so I can show you how we can make that work. So I'm going to have this little data set. I'm going to do a few formulas here. So I'm going to go here, do equals, take this quantity, multiply this by this price, just like that. And then I'll drag that formula down. I'll do another one to calculate the tax based off this tax rate worksheet with this percentage. So what I'm going to do here, let's actually change this to fill without formatting to not mess up the formatting, but that doesn't really matter. I'm going to take this now and multiply it by that tax rate. So I'll go to the tax rate and click on this, and we'll do F4 to do an absolute reference for that tax rate. And then I can drag that down like this. Again, fill without formatting. And then I'm just going to add two sum functions down here. So I'll just auto sum this and this to get the total. So at this point, I want to protect the sheet, so I don't want anybody to be able to type anywhere else other than this area where quantities, prices, and products are. So I'll just highlight this area where they need to be able to actually type things, press Ctrl+1 or right-click Format Cells. Same thing, go to Protection and uncheck this locked, press OK. And at this point, if I go to Review and do Protect Sheet, I'm going to add some password to this, like ABCD. That's good enough. I'm going to repeat that. And now this should be protected, which means that if we try to type over these formulas, delete them, or to go inside or change the formulas, we can't do that. See, we can see the formula over here on top in a formula bar, but we cannot change or modify it or type anywhere else other than these cells right here. So for example, right here, I can change this 55 to 32 because that was unprotected. Now, let's say you forgot your password. So if you're trying to get back to modify this, if you go to Unprotect, well, if you don't know the password and we try something else, it's just not going to let us in. So what do? I do this. I just create a whole new worksheet in the bottom like this. Go to this worksheet that's protected, select the whole thing from the corner and copy it. Go to my new worksheet and just paste it right here. And what's going to happen, I'm going to create a copy of that without actually having that protection on it. So now this has no protection. So I can just go in and modify this formula if I wanted to make it do something else. See, now it's not protected anymore. And we can now keep this one and delete the old one that we forgot the password for. And that should do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.